I'm just waiting for my dad. Unless he comes out, I can't go in. I wanted to show you guys my outfits. I'm at Osbro searching for that flying thing, but I want the other one. Steel one. Guys, I went to like 3 different shops. Sure. It's 2 pieces. Because I'm done editing. I'm gonna go and start with the baking. Okay, sorry. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to a new vlog, and welcome back to episode 27 of the Ramadan series. The time reads 1:38. I just showered, like right now, a few minutes ago. I haven't read my Quran, but I worked on my dream. I worked on my project. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I was working on a project. It's just that I don't speak about it, but girl, I'm still working on it. Anyway, I'm happy about that. I'm happy that I'm actually like working on it. Guys, you know what I want to do today? I just want to like not do anything. I want to just watch Nje. I'm currently rewatching Hit and Run. It came out in 2021. I watched it, but I kind of forgot it. The reason why I want to watch it is because I want to watch Fauda. And I just want to rewatch it. It's like 9 episodes, and I'm gonna finish it like maybe in 2 days. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's like, it's been in my mind, like I don't want to do anything, I just want to watch. That's the thing with me. If I start something, I just want to finish it. Don't like that about me, bro. So that's that, guys. Like I have to go to Postnap. And deliver a package, but don't want to do it. Maybe tomorrow, because today, honestly, I don't feel like going out at all. Like I just want to be at home. I'm tired. Like I don't want to go out, bro. Like I don't know, my skin, I'm getting like pimpies. Like look. No. Do you see that? Look, I'm getting pimpies, bro. And I don't know what this is. Look there. And my forehead. I don't know. I feel like my pimples know when it's like festive season, or like when I'm going somewhere special. They just know. Cause like, why? Tell me why Eid is like in a few days, and look at my face. Hi, today is so gloomy. Today is giving stay in bed. It's 4:51 and it's so dark. Yo. Anyway, I didn't vlog. Yeah, I didn't vlog. I just came to say that I didn't vlog the day. It's finished. I don't know what's the plan now.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mark. Terribly sorry. بدأت مش دراسة؟ لأنه شو خبيوت تبدي ما تفهموش بدأت أجلس بيت